Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Wednesday, April 28, 2021. Here's a rather sad update on our 1957 Century Viking lap straight. We have everything else finished other than putting everything back together. And we knew that the bottom transom plank had rotted to the point it wasn't savable. So Anthony and Joe today put her back on her trailer so we'd have some good support. And well, I'll just hand it off. Joe, you wanna?
Yeah, so if you remember on our previous video, this bottom plank, it was split right here, and there's a kind of a big rot hole right here. So as I took our zip tool down through, I cut all the screws. That way I could free the plank. And when I freed the plank, it came out like this, and several little pieces due to the fact that, it's just powder. It's completely rotted. So upon taking that out, we noticed back here by the stringers and the supports for the transom, there's this giant hole right here that we dug out all the rot. And what we'll do is we're gonna fill that full of CPES. That way, once all the rot's gone, it will make it so it stops doing it. And
have you considered a Dutchman?
I could. The only bad part about doing a Dutchman here is looking back at this stringer. I'd have to support it up there and cut it back about a foot to be able to do that. And if I did that, I would have to take these two pieces out here and refabricate these because there won't be much left to screw it back to.
Yeah, I'm not sure we have a choice. That means you're going to have to release these. Can you scarf them about? Oh no, this is the transom.
Right, so I would have to take all these bungs out right here, which isn't the end of the world, but we can do that, and we'll have to support the rest of the hull and remake these two pieces and scarf this
the
stringer back.
Yeah, hate to say it, Joe and Anthony, if we fill that full of some kind of goop, the rot's just going to keep right. No matter how much CPES we have in here, we know if it's this rotted right here, it's already begun to migrate up. So we work to one standard. Let's do it the right way. So I would say yes. Remove the bungs. Remove these vertical planks. The framing for that part of the transom, and
we'll put a 2x across the back too, underneath it, just to hold for support to make sure that it's not going to lose its shape. Because once we release these, it makes it a lot less stiff.
Yeah. You know, we could almost put a ratchet strap around there, and
yeah, big heavy duty. I would actually put a ratchet strap on it and have a 2x underneath up top here.
Yeah. And support it further forward. So it maintains its shape. This one's just a little bit of surface.
Yeah, that one's not nearly as bad.
No, and the stringer's still strong.
Right, but all the rot was more or less towards the port side.
Yeah, the problem is that we just try to fill that, and for anybody watching, think about this. This is where the prop comes out, well, beneath it, obviously, through the strut, and we've got a lot of torque right there from the prop working on this hull. So the right way is the way we'll do it, and the boat will be good for another 50 years once we finish. It's just too bad this happened now, and nobody knew. Can't blame the owners, because there's no way you can get back there without taking this plank off. And was it just one plank, or did you end up taking two off?
It was the second plank up. So from right here, where the seam of the plank was, it was rotted up to about there on the plank all the way across. All right. It was the two planks.
It was the two planks then. All right. Well, here's our sorry update on our 1957 19-foot Century Viking. We'll keep you up to date as Joe and Anthony execute some deep surgery on her transom. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.